Hello and welcome to SBG Support Center. With the help of my colleagues from the Technical Support Department, we are going to see in this series of videos how to configure an Ellipse INS. In this first part, we are going to see SVG Center interface and its tools, and in the next one, we are going to show you how to configure your device. Before we begin, please check if the latest SDK package is installed on your computer, as it contains all the tools required to connect and configure your Ellipse. Let's begin. First, you're going to take your Ellipse and connect it to your computer using the USB to UART serial cable. Then, launch your SBG software SVG Center. Click on Connect the selected device. Refresh. This will display all SBG units connected to your computer. And for this example, I will select an Ellipse D and press Connect. So this is SBG Center interface. In this toolbar, you will find some tools to save, import and export your data. With these, you will record and replay them. This icon is to connect your device. This one is to configure it. And these are tools to visualize and analyze your data. Let's see now SBG Center options. SBG Center options is in the export section. It allows you to define data you want to export and its format. General options is to define the refresh rate. Export options is to set up your export preset. Device options allows you to find serial ports that your Ellipse can scan, and this section is checked by default. You have to uncheck it to find more serial ports to scan. Let's see now the other tools available in this interface. SBG Center provides a wide range of displays to visualize your sensor data, such as 3D cube, cockpit view for orientation display, 2D map and time series graphs, and with this status, you can monitor health of your device and data reception like GNSS data, device status, UTC time and date, and much more. You can also see if the quality of your data is good enough to be used in the solution. This is the end of this part. In the next one, we will see how to configure your device.